Hi friends, this video shows how to search for apps using voice search. See, this is a remote of this device. Here you can see one mic button. We need to press and hold this mic button, then we can ask. Let me do that. Press and hold this mic button. Browser app. See, now you can see apps here. From here, let me select one app, then select install. See, this way we can search and install app. Please wait. Done, installed. If you want to uninstall, you can uninstall from here. Okay, so please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.